How to log in to PNC Bank Online Banking. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in PNC Bank Login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to very first one website option, onlinebanking.pnc.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now here you're going to find this option of PNC Online Banking. Click on Sign On. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your PNC Bank Online Banking account. Provide the credentials. Firstly, go ahead and type in the user ID. Then type in the password. In the case you want to save your login info, check in for this option. Remember user ID. In the case you have forgotten the ID or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Login. Just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log in to PNC Bank Online Banking account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.